Hi everyone, good morning to you, good afternoon. How are you doing? So I saw a post made by Seer and it was shared by Udele. That post is the reason why we're here. So once you come across this video, I expect you to like the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. You see, in as much as we have differences, I don't support any crime, neither am I support any killing of anybody or life-threatening issues. You understand? Some of you may say, yeah, she deserves it and all that. Uchechi, Mazi Uchechi, that decided to side US, ex-US, instead of her husband, Mazi Nnamdi. At this present time, a lot of things is going on. Like, a lot of things are going on. People are, some people are confused. Some understand the template. Some know what is going on. Some understand that, but you can't force anybody to do what they don't want to do, isn't it? But the truth remains that Mazi Nnamdi and PM Samonekpa are not the problem of Igbo land. They are not. Some just want to get rid of them because they are stopping their criminality and all that. Mazi Akwa and his group are almost everywhere. Where the trend is going, they will follow. I don't know if Mazi Akwa and Seer is in good time. I'm not sure. I don't know. But Seer says something. His video has been trending on social media, especially on TikTok and Facebook. I'm gonna play the one that they reacted on. I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Very, very, very important. I'm laughing because it's actually laughable. Watch this.
Shameless she goat. Very, very shameless. The contract which you have taken on Allah Biafra Koyano. Come to Biafra land, Kebino. Come to Biafra land. This is a child here no Bodo Ibona UK. Come and pass the street of Biafra land. Kemara here okejin to Untiodueme. Ndara. Kemara here oku. Jintiodueme. Ndara. You can zuzu n'obodo oyibo ịbata. Imagine Uchechi ọbata ya were Nigerian security escort. Your husband is being detained by ndị Nigeria. You are using Nigerian security escort. Na-eshinyari pupu n'ike with infection ajụrụ everywhere. Oh, ike gị ka anyị hụrụ the other day. Ya ka ike kpakọshis.
So it don't reach on where on a go dey threaten Uchechi. So she don't even dey use security because of honor. It don't reach on where on a go dey threaten the wife of an supreme leader. Agwara m unu akwefu unu ga-eri anụ onwe unu. Kunu niile unu ga-eri anụ onwe unu. Like all this on nonsense una dey do. Just restrict them to within on our this on our intra IPOB ESN BG. Make it just end with on our now look who go the look on. Okay, one machine come without security more na go buy am. So now they fear police. Say she's not going with Nigerian government security. Why should I go more buy am? More na buy am Nnamdi Kanu his own sister. Which day she come out for police? Ndara. Na no get shame. Nnamdi Kanu wife now na go the try power for her hand. Kwefuru Amadioha will deal with all of you. We are waiting. I say you will end this here. All of you, all these evil people brought in an evil, you will use your head to carry it. Each and every one of you. Don't worry.
All right, that was Udele there, right? First thing first, I don't support any threatening. Like I told you when we started, threatening Uchechi or come to Igbo land, this and that, to me it doesn't worth it. This era is
We're observing
era
from a safe distance.
Word. I know that many people are angry. You understand? A lot of people are very, very angry about what Uchechi has done or what she's doing. But she did not start today. She didn't start today. Injustice for one is an injustice for all. When they started doing this nonsense, when she started her madness on PM, some people that are expecting people to talk now used to clap for her. The wife of our leader, today, how far? But I'm not here to mock anybody about that incident. But seeing Udele commenting on this is laughable. And credit to Uchechi Wanyawo, Mazi Uchechi, because that's exactly what she wants. She wants to form alliance with enemies of her husband. Imagine Udele, who has been demanding for Martha Makana's head for a very long time now, fighting for Uchechi. That tells you all you need to know. Have you shown me any one video where Udele condemn Uchechi? Because they do have to our side. No matter what, don't threaten Uchechi. Oh, when you come to Biafra land and all that, especially when you know that even she come, you do nothing. So leave, stop threatening. Threatening will not. It is not gonna help you. It has never helped anybody. But Udele, I'm not saying people should threaten him either. But I believe that, what you said sometimes will work for you or work against you. He said that Ali will do this and do that. The same man who sworn, in the past, that if you ever talk bad about Biafra or the Mandi or against our people, if you do that, something like that. In fact, let me just show you so you can know who is talking and where it's coming from.
For the last against IQB, against Indigo, you are a saboteur. How can I sabotage my own people? Anigo, Bokamonya Kebe, Mbosobu no. Na-eche mbosi ọbụla ihe ọbụla m ga-eme mejọọ ndị Igbo or any black race. Ụmụ m recognize para m as their father.
Ise.
Ihe a bụ highest iyi mmadụ ga-anwụrụ onwe ya. Ịghọtago? Ihe a bụ highest iyi mmadụ ga-anwụrụ onwe ya. Ọ ihe na-eji ụmụ m ahụ. Adị m asị ụmụ m nwụọ ka onye ọbụla na-aṅụ ihe ahụ ka ọ na-aṅụ. Eji m onwe m ahụ. And the worst thing that could happen to a father or wife, reject him as their father. But so when I'm making do anything against me, just one man, their father.
He say.
So, natural, it are the misconception. People know. I want to criticize the policy. And they criticize this and this tactic. Attention on that work. Not generally, then they criticize the actualization of Biafra. Nigeria brought on the Muma. I wouldn't be here. Na Nigeria. But since 19 now that work. But I have to say it, man. I don't criticize that some things. No, that's not me.
Not every dog that is hungry actually needs food.
So you heard him, right? Oh, somebody now wagging him because he can't even maintain his own oaths. You see? Like I said, nature have a world, paying this kind of thing, paying people back. And once again, forget about Uchechi. Everything will unfold naturally. Don't threaten her. And don't plan evil against your anybody. Whatever that is going on today, God have already planned and worked ahead of the enemies. What must be, must be. Udele is doing that which he said he's not gonna do, and he's working. He's not hiding it. I don't need to start playing you his recent interview in TV, in Baba nonsense platform, and all so many places. I don't know, because many of you have seen that it's actually trending. They have been trending, and people are watching them. He not only that he has criticized Igbo people, he also recruited people to criticize Igbo people. So he have done more evil than what he actually sworn for. I'm gonna end it here, please, just to keep it, snappy. I told you, anything you want to do, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean. So a lot is going on. So many things are going on. But let's watch and see how the whole thing will unfold. Let me know what you think about what the remedy said there. What's your take on that? Please don't forget to like the video and share to many platforms of your choice. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.